Welcome to today's lesson, which is taken from your reading and writing book 3, unit 1, and we will be focusing today on vocabulary 2. We will be studying these words. The first word, accomplishment. This is a noun. So that is something impressive that someone has achieved. So we can say getting A+ in an exam is a great accomplishment. It is a success. In jazz. Consider. This is a verb, and that is to have something as your opinion, to think about something or someone. So we can say, I consider shaking hands polite. This is my opinion. يعتبر ويرى. Exaggerate. This is a verb, and that's to make something seem larger, better, or worse than it really is. So do not exaggerate. I am sure it is not that bad. يبالغ أو يغالي. Exaggerate. Expect. This is a verb, and that's to think or believe that someone will do something or something will happen. So I expect you to be on time tomorrow. Don't be late. يتوقع. Expect. Professional. This is an adjective, and that's doing something that shows skill, training, and care. So for example, a doctor has to be professional at work. He has to do his job properly to show his skill, and he has to take care. The doctor has to be professional at work. محترف. Punctual. This is an adjective, and that is not late, being on time, not being late. So we can say Jabir is always punctual. He is never late. He's on time. محافظ على المواعيد. He is always on time. He's not late. Punctual. Research. This is a noun, and that's a detailed and careful study of something to find more about it. So we can say he is doing research in medicine. He is a scientist. بحث علمي. Research. Slang. This is a noun, and that's informal words and expressions usually used in spoken language. So do not use slang when you speak to your teacher. An example of slang is how we say fizz for stand up. This is a slang. لغة عامية. Slang. Weakness. This is a noun, a fault or lack of strength. So we can say eating too much ice cream is my weakness. I can't help myself. ضعف. Now let's try and do exercise B, activity B. We have to complete each sentence with the vocabulary from reading 2, the words that we studied earlier. So I will help you with number 1 and number 2. Number 1, in the interview, Sammy did not his work experience. He knew his 6 months in sales wasn't a lot, but he wouldn't lie. Okay, so we have did not. Now, after did not, and after did, and after does comes the base form verb. So we are looking for a verb here. Wouldn't lie. So therefore, we're looking for a verb that has a meaning similar to lie. And of course, that verb will be exaggerate. In the interview, Sammy didn't or did not exaggerate his work experience. He knew his 6 months in sales wasn't a lot, but he wouldn't lie. So the answer is exaggerate. Number 2, my boss is a great person, but he has one, he almost never smiles, even when things are going well. Okay, so we have one here, and one is an adjective, so we're therefore looking for a noun that this adjective describes. And we also have a context clue here, never smiles. This is negative, so that means that there is something wrong. So therefore, the word that we're looking for, the noun that we're looking for, is weakness. My boss is a great person, but he has one weakness. He almost never smiles, even when things are going well. Excellent. Please try and complete the rest of the activity 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Please pause the video and complete the activity. Okay, these are the answers for this activity. Please pause the video and check your answers. See how you have done. Thank you very much for listening today.